Hey there, welcome to your video on solving equations with variables on both sides of the equal sign. So we have been solving equations in class, and you guys have become experts at that. We are going to look at equations that look a little bit different. So, I did not want to do that, sorry about that. Let's take a look here. If we saw a problem that looks like 9x plus 5 equals 12x minus 1. So what I want us to be aware of is where the like terms are. So if you notice, 9x is a like term with 12x, and 5 and minus 1 are like terms, but they're on opposite sides of the equal sign. So before I can do the steps involved with solving, I have to combine like terms. I have to move my x's to one side and move my integers to the other side. My trick is I usually move the smaller coefficient, the variable with a smaller coefficient. So in this case, 9x. Well, I can see that if I subtract 9x, I still have a positive 3x over here, minus 1. Over here I've got 5. Now, you could have moved the 12x. We'll investigate in class what that would look like. Okay, you also could have moved the constant values first. Okay, but now that I have my x on the right side of the equal sign, I need to move the numbers on that side. So I need to get rid of this minus 1, which means I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Okay, so now I have 6 equals 3x. Now this looks familiar. Okay, I can divide by 3, find out that x is 2, and of course, as stressed multiple times in class, I'm going to check this out and see how it works. So I've got 9 times 2 plus 5. Okay, I'm going to just evaluate this first. That's 18 plus 5, which is 23. Okay, on the other side of the equal sign, I've got 12 times 2 minus 1. Oh, that's 24 minus 1. That's 23. Hey, checks out, so we know our answer is correct. Okay, we are going to look at one more together. I'm going to start this one for you, and then I want you to come to class with the finished product. Okay, so the second example we have is 8w minus 14 minus 4w equals 3w plus 7. Okay, so this looks different. This looks like a complicated problem. So again, I want to identify my like terms. Okay, these like terms, hey, those are on the same side. And then this w, okay? The negative 14 and the 7, those are on opposite sides, so I have to move those. Now, again, there are different first steps, but I'm going to first combine these like terms. 8w minus 4w. Well, that's 4w. I'm going to leave that minus 14 equals 3w plus 7. So now this problem looks like the other problem that we just did. So what I want you to do is try out solving it from here on. Check your answer to make sure you got it right. If you didn't get it right, make sure you star it, and I'm going to be looking. So if you get it right, circle your answer. If you didn't get it right, put a little star. You don't have to go back and redo it, but I'm going to be looking for those in class. So thank you for watching this. Have a great evening.